In this video, I will show you how to print the current diagram that you see on the screen and all the detailed views that are below the main boxes. For example, under Create and Authorize Requisition, I have a sub-processes. So how do I print a complete process hierarchy? I'm going back to the top. I will select the print menu in the tab bar. And by default, it only shows the current diagram on which you are. Going into the print settings and under the scope section, I have the option to select current diagram and children. I'm clicking there and applying the changes. Now my print preview refreshes to show all the current diagram and all their lower levels. I can then click on print now, which creates a browser-friendly print preview, and then go on the file menu, print, and select to print as a PDF or sending to my usual printer.